Are your large language models trapped, limited to the data they were trained on? Imagine building an AI application that can instantly access your specific documents, databases, or even internal company knowledge. No more generic answers. No more outdated information. What if your AI could truly understand and converse about your world? The key isn't always bigger models or endless fine-tuning. Often, it's about giving your LLM the right context at the right time. And that's where a revolutionary framework called LlamaIndex comes in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into LlamaIndex, a powerful data framework specifically designed to connect your custom data sources with large language models. If you're working with LLMs, building AI applications, or just fascinated by how we can make these models smarter and more useful, you need to understand Llama. Forget the days when LLMs only knew about the public internet up to their last training date. LlamaIndex empowers you to augment their knowledge with your private, domain-specific information, enabling truly intelligent and tailored responses. So, what problem is LlamaIndex solving? Think about it. You have incredible LLMs capable of understanding and generating human-like text, but their knowledge is static based on the massive data sets they were trained on. Your company's internal reports, your personal document archive, real-time data from an API, none of this is typically accessible to a standard LLM out of the box. Asking a general LLM about your latest sales figures or details from a specific internal memo, it's like asking it to read your mind. It simply doesn't have access to that data. This limitation leads to common issues: inaccurate answers for specific queries, inability to use proprietary information, and those frustrating hallucinations where the model just makes things up. This is where LlamaIndex becomes not just useful, but essential for building practical, knowledge-augmented AI applications. At its core, LlamaIndex acts as a smart data layer between your data and your LLM. It follows a general pipeline, which can be broken down into a few key steps. Step 1, data ingestion. LlamaIndex provides an extensive collection of data connectors, often referred to as LlamaHub. These connectors allow you to easily pull data from almost anywhere: databases, APIs, PDFs, websites, cloud storage, and many more. It handles the initial loading and formatting of this diverse data into a structured format it can work with, typically as documents, and then smaller nodes. Step 2, indexing. This is where the magic happens. Once the data is ingested, LlamaIndex indexes it. Think of an index like a super fast, intelligent search engine for your specific data. Instead of just storing the raw text, LlamaIndex breaks the data into smaller chunks and often converts them into numerical representations called vector embeddings. These embeddings capture the semantic meaning of the data. LlamaIndex supports various index types: vector store, tree, list, and more, each optimized for different query types. Remember, step 3, querying. When a user asks a question or provides a prompt, LlamaIndex intercepts it. It uses the query to search the indexes it created in the previous step using the vector embeddings and other indexing techniques. It efficiently retrieves the most relevant chunks of your original data. Step 4, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is the crucial part. The relevant data chunks retrieved from your index are then provided to the LLM as context along with the original user query. The LLM can now use its powerful language understanding capabilities augmented by your specific relevant data to generate a much more accurate, informed, and contextually relevant response. The response you get back is not just a generic answer. It's an answer informed by the specific knowledge you provided through LlamaIndex. So, why choose LlamaIndex? What are its key advantages? Next, LLMs to your data. This is the most significant benefit. It breaks the barrier between LLMs and your private or domain-specific information. Simplified data ingestion. With LlamaHub, connecting to a vast array of data sources is made much easier. You don't have to build custom data pipelines from scratch for every source. Optimized for LLM retrieval, LlamaIndex is built specifically for providing relevant context. to LLMs, using techniques like vector embeddings and various indexing strategies for efficient retrieval. Flexible indexing, it offers different index types, allowing you to structure and query your data in ways best suited for your application, whether it's semantic search, summarization, or navigating hierarchical data. Composability, you can compose multiple indexes and query engines, building complex logic to handle diverse data sources and query types within a single application. Integrations, LlamaIndex integrates seamlessly with popular tools in the AI ecosystem, including various LLM providers and vector databases, giving you flexibility in your tech stack. Enables advanced RAG. It provides the tools and abstractions to build sophisticated Retrieval Augmented Generation pipelines, minimizing hallucinations and maximizing accuracy. The power of LlamaIndex unlocks a wide range of real-world applications. Llama.Q&A. Imagine dropping a large PDF manual, a legal document, or a research paper into an application and being able to ask specific questions about its content. LlamaIndex makes this incredibly efficient. Enterprise knowledge search, building a smart chatbot or search tool that can query across all your internal company documents, wikis, and databases to provide instant, accurate answers to employees. Personalized chatbots, creating chatbots that remember past conversations and can access user-specific data to provide a truly personalized experience. Data augmented agents, developing AI agents that can not only understand instructions, but also gather necessary information from your data sources to perform tasks. For example, an agent that analyzes sales data from a database and summarizes key trends. Healthcare/legal information retrieval, quickly searching and retrieving relevant information from vast libraries of medical literature or legal documents. These are just a few examples. Any application where you need an LLM to interact with and leverage specific, potentially private, external data can benefit enormously from LlamaIndex. Okay, you're probably wondering how to get started. While a full coding tutorial is beyond the scope of this video, here are the general steps involved. Installation. Install the LlamaIndex library using pip. You'll also typically need to install integrations for your chosen LLM provider and vector database. Load your data. Use LlamaIndex's data loaders to ingest your data from its source. Create an index. Build an index over your loaded data. A common starting point is the vector store index. Set up a query engine. Create a query engine on top of your index. This is the interface you'll use to ask questions. Query and get responses. Use the query engine to send natural language queries and receive responses augmented by your data. LlamaIndex's documentation is excellent, with plenty of guides and examples to help you dive deeper. You can also explore Llama Cloud for managed services that can simplify deployment for enterprise use cases. You might have also heard of LangChain, another popular framework in the LLM space. While both are powerful, they have different primary focuses. Think of LangChain as being more focused on orchestrating complex workflows involving LLMs, external tools, and sequences of actions. LlamaIndex, on the other hand, is laser-focused on connecting LLMs specifically with external data and optimizing the data retrieval process for augmentation. They can even be used together. Choosing the right one or combining them depends on your specific application needs. LlamaIndex is a game changer for anyone building LLM applications that need to go beyond generic knowledge. By providing a robust and flexible way to bring your data into the LLM's understanding, it enables the creation of truly powerful, accurate, and domain-specific AI solutions. You're building with LLMs, integrating your own data is often the next crucial step, and LlamaIndex makes that significantly easier. What kind of application are you thinking of building with LlamaIndex? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this overview helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the world of AI. We're constantly exploring the tools and techniques shaping the future. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, VOVOV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.